What's up, Loc Nation? It's your girl Kenyatta here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this 6-strand braid on Locs. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. So the first thing you want to do to start off with this braid is separate your strands. Okay, we're going to separate it into 2, and then we're going to make 3 on this side. Okay, 3 strands on that side, and we're going to separate 3 strands on this side. Just separate your 3 strands just like that. Okay, now the first thing that we're going to do this braid is, as you see, we have 6 strands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is take this first strand here, cross it over that strand just like that. Okay, then we're going to take this 3rd strand, cross it over the 4th strand just like that. All right, and then we're going to take this 5th strand, cross it over the 6th strand just like that. Now we're going to take this one here, we're going to go under and over just like that. Okay, now on this side we're going to go over and under, and then when we get in the middle we're going to cross it. Please feel free to rewind how to start this braid, because that is the most complicated part of this braid, is starting it off. Okay, it gets a little easier as we go along, and I'm going to explain it to you. As you see here, we have 3 on the left and 3 on the right. Now from this point we're just going to be working with each side individually until we cross them in the middle. So I'm going to start off on the left side. Okay, and keep in mind that this braid does not have to be tight. You don't have to pull it tight, all right, because this is on Locs and you want it to be kind of flat. Starting on the left hand side, we're going to take this far left strand and cross it under this 2nd strand and over this middle strand. Just hold it like that. Now we're going to work with the right hand side, and we're going to take this right hand strand, cross it over that strand, under that one, and now that they're meeting in the middle, we're going to cross them. Okay, we're going to continue the same method. I'm going to start with the left and take this left hand strand under that middle one, that 2nd one, over that middle one just like that. Okay, and on the right hand side I'm going to take that far right over that 2nd, under that middle, and once these 2 become the middle, recross them over. Moving down the braid, okay, we have crossed that over right there, and again we're back with our 3 strands on both sides. We're going to continue the same stitch on the left hand side. The 3 on the left always goes under, so we're going to take it under and over. Okay, just like that to the middle. Then on the right hand side we're going to take it over and then under to the middle, and then once we get to the middle they cross over. All right, just like that. Continuing down the braid, working with each side individually, this far left hand strand is going to go under that middle strand, over that one just like that. Okay, and then on the right hand side always goes over. It's going to go over, then under. Once they meet in the middle, they cross, and then you're right back again where you started, and we're doing the same method. Left hand side goes under and then over to the middle. All right, right hand side over, under that strand, and once they get to the middle, once they get to the middle they cross. Okay, and you begin, and you're right back where you
coming
started
up on
with
the
your
end of
three. This braid here, and I'm going to do one more stitch of this 6-strand braid. I'm going to go with the left hand side, under, over that middle strand, okay, and then on the right hand side, over, and then under that middle strand, and then they cross in the middle, okay. Now I'm pretty much done with this 6-strand braid. I'm going to go ahead and just bring it all together like this. Bring it all together at the bottom. All right, pretty much done. And now I'm just going to secure it with a pipe cleaner. You guys know what it is. Now this kind of braid, you don't have to go all the way down to the very end, you know, because as you know, locks are different lengths. So you can just leave some out, just like I did. And that is the 6-strand braid. So you see there's some hanging down, okay? You don't have.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this 6-strand braid. And also, help your girl grow. Share this video on your Instagram, on your Facebook, wherever you share cool stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.